Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We get Oga Victor waiting on top of the telephone line since. Oga Victor, thank you for your patience and welcome to AS E DEY HOT. But if like say the network no agree, Oga Victor, to exercise all that patience on top of AS E DEY HOT. To still discuss the issue of militants for inside the Niger Delta or militancy for inside the Niger Delta. Whether the best way for the government to go now to negotiate or dialogue with them, that is sit down for round table, follow them discuss, or to do the matter fire for fire. Now the discussion when we say activists Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi, they discuss on top of the show today. Be this.
Oh, so you expect me to call you activist?
You are not in the register of. You are not in the register of comrades.
My own comrade.
You can't be a comrade.
Why do you think I will just look myself finish?
You can't be a comrade when you come here to deceive Nigerians by speaking for speaking for one particular issue when we say they related to that thing. It's very, very clear. It's very, very clear.
For this program.
What do we do to the issue of the Niger Delta? What do we do to the issue of the Niger Delta?
No ever.
Police people, you speak against them. Nigerian women, you speak against them. Children, you speak against them. We discuss education. We discuss everything. Why are you always opposing?
Chukwudi.
No, why are you always opposing?
You dey tell me this one.
Negotiate or fire for fire.
You dey tell me this one.
Negotiate or fire for fire.
Me.
Third time, negotiate or fire for fire. Why are you running away from the question? 3 times, now I ask you. 3 times, now Peter denied Jesus. You see yourself?
So
change your name to.
Who is the Jesus here?
It's very, very clear.
You.
It's very, very clear. You. Discuss this particular issue. Discuss the issue. Tell us what to do. Tell us what to do.
Alex, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Alex. Talk to us. Will they hear you?
Good morning, comrade and the activist.
Yes, thank you very much.
Please, activist Chukwudi.
I hear you, Oga Alex.
Please, you know that they established Niger Delta LNDC, and they have Ministry of Niger Delta.
Yes.
All these jobs to develop Niger Delta. There are a lot of money that this company have been paying to their individual, their chiefs, their ITs, and one of them went and built university in Benin Republic.
The NDDC
what
did there.
What to do for them? That they have been giving them money, giving them everything. They are even outside their own system.
Okay.
And what you want government to do for them again?
Oga Alex, quick one, this question. Oga Alex, the government get the legitimacy because now election I bring them come there to represent the people of Nigeria. Do you think person complain, you give her money, you think say na wetin go solve the problem be that? As you dey give the person money, you know think say you dey postpone the issue for another day.
Okay, what is the essence of that?
But
now you cause the problem. If you always dey give them money, if you always dey give them money, and you don't discuss the particular issue when they organize, you think say if you give them money, they will be okay. People don't turn billionaire on top of this particular issue, but the people of Niger Delta are still suffering.
Hold on, Alex, they talk.
Excuse me.
Will they hear you, Alex?
They established those military to develop that place. That money.
Oga Alex, who they control? Oga Alex, who they control the ministry? The government. If the ministry when you establish not do what they're supposed to do, you take action. Simple. If Papa they pay school fees and the pikin no they do well for school, he will take action.
No, buy credit for
he will take action. He asked me a question and I address the question.
I'm
addressing the question.
Give this one time
I'm addressing the question.
Okay.
This one just came in. This one to give him time to enter the video there. Start bombing. Is that what they want?
Okay, Oga Alex.
They should match the military to military.
Okay, Oga Alex, thank you very much for your contribution. We don't get it. Now the same passion, if no be passion where you get for the country, and also passion where you get for the Niger Delta people, of course, no go even bring up this matter. You know, go say no go after it. Now because of the passion, I make you they talk about this thing. And sincerely, and the same passion we also get. Now to find a solution to that, I be the main thing. We get Oga Bobby, they call us back. Oga Bobby, welcome back to AS E DEY HOT.
I thought I'll come back.
Yes, we appreciate.
The tip is what the Alex they try to make. The point where Alex they want make is say those who that they appoint as Niger Delta
leaders,
they do their civil duty. The civil duty of to avoid this commotion when it will come up. That be the appointee of them. So when say these people won't come up, be able to talk to them and have hear their voice, to be their voice of the Niger Delta people. But they not be so. Their own is to collect, and it's the same cycle of stealing.
Okay.
It is so that's what it is they happen. So we don't need anybody to be a Niger Delta administration wanting in office. We don't need them. You get my point? So those are the things that we need to remove them from. Then focus on the main issue. You understand me? Now address the problem when they side our state. The states, that Niger Delta area. You understand me? That the creeks, them, the pipeline where they vandalize and all those ones, rivers, and what they say don't spoil. You understand me? The pipeline will go burst when we say the pipe water go, you can't see fish inside the water again. How to solve those problems? You understand me now? Because those are people's source of income.
But then, Oga Bobby, quick now, see, we don't talk about this Niger Delta crisis, or rather Niger Delta issue for a very long time. We know say yes. Now for this region, our major resources they come from. But then, if federal government don't say okay, they don't establish ministry, don't establish body like NDDC, and they're not going to do it. They're not going to follow up on the money they give these bodies. Say may they take do it, may they take develop these areas. How it is say we also figure that right? Because federal government on the outside suppose they follow up so that make we see results at least the result from these places.
Listen, I mean, also I'll call you now, comrade. I mean now.
Comrade, no wahala for today, yes.
The thing where they is, I say, federal government need to put their eye down. You understand me now? It's not left for AFCC to investigate people alone.
Okay.
They need to create other bodies of investigation offices.
Okay.
You understand me now? If you see like American FBI, FBI is big. You understand me now? Those were the investigative different departments of different kind of things that they inside. You understand me now? From state government to local government to everywhere, then they investigate. You understand me now? So we need to I don't know how to put more people power. You know, when you give you inject more facilities and people when you go say go carry out investigation to be able to put eye down to know all these things them to help the country. You understand me now?
Yes, we understand you.
Oga Bobby, we don't know your important point. Thank you very, very much. We'll get Victor. Victor, they call us all the way from Delta State. Oga Victor, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Hey, Oga Bobby, thank you very much.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Thank you very much to the three brothers.
Will they hear you, Oga Victor? Continue.
This Niger Delta issue. Maybe that to go there and the way that is not Boko Haram find the solution. Something they make the people the best. And as the best, as the president did there, he's supposed to call the and say, wait till the problem. Let this problem, let the server won't follow. If you like, you carry the full military, go there, go kill everybody, you will start one day again. The people, when they present these people, when you get outside, they are bigger to their self-interest that they do. They're not the mind the people there. The fish for water now is not very good. Oh, yeah, don't sell everything. Now, hungry, now the people do. Yeah, that they feed now, that they drink water. Which is not good. The oil when the Niger Delta gets, now God to bring them, make everybody take a happy. But now you don't have to come to the Niger Delta people. It's not good. Let President carry mind come down. Call these people to that. What will be the solution? Local planners ahead to make Nigeria progress.
Yes.
If you look what they do these few days now, the Nigerian economy don't come down.
Don't come down, exactly.
Gary don't go 800 naira, which people not they see it a day again. Now beg, now will be beg the president. Let me fight. Take care of the people.
Very true. Thank you very much for your response to this particular issue where we say we just raised like this. We get Chooks. Oga Chooks, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Chooks, good morning. Yeah, good morning, Oga Chooks.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Activists and the comrade.
We greet you.
They always listen to Nigeria.
Thank you
very much.
Now this country where all of us they when they tell us say Boko Haram now our brother, we go negotiate with them. Imagine we get joy in peace. We know they add to economic development or whatever to this country. Now people will be saying, now them like hold this country economically, socially and otherwise. Now they want to do fire for. It is very, very unfair and wrong. The best thing the government supposed to do now is to negotiate with this boy. Tell them what will be their problem. See what thing is so. If not one would go be so, then so. If not one would go be so, then tell them see. Some people they talk see for their individual interest. Bullshit. They come for their interest. And you can't applaud this one. You can't go fight them, you kill them or whatever. I don't have a match. Now so would they fight the go. So why not let's look for him and solve this problem with these boys? If the money, one federal government, they give to them, I'll be very because from that side. You need to go that side and see what is going on. If the money where they so money, if not money or whatever, the federal government they give that into the rich. Why not call that body to give that money to reach these boys? Why this need to reach these people? Fight the same corruption what you say they fight and get. That money make it reach the grassroots. So that these boys then will stop or reduce or stop if possible.
Very true. Oga Chooks, thank you very much for this your important point. We really appreciate that. We'll get Oga Okay. Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi. I agree to now.
Yeah, we're here.
Make a shoot my bed.
Okay.
I never see where they carry fuel, they quench fire. I never see them before. Hello.
Will they hear you?
And again, one thing when I believe in my life is say, even if now farm, maybe you go rent farm and you don't get the money to rent the farm. After you harvest and the owner of the farm, when you don't harvest, you must give them something to show appreciation, Abi. The this will be say, government know they try for this Niger Delta boys. If you give them money, like if you give a man a fish for a day, you feed him for the day, but if you teach a man how to fish, you feed him forever. If na industry or whatever, make they open, get these boys busy, make they work, if not leave them, make they work there. They feed their money. Nobody say they will give their senior men the money. At the end of the day, they won't see anything. Nobody say go negotiate with wrong people. At the end of the day, the right people will come out, see, they protest, they vandalize, they damage things, where they cost Nigeria many things. Because when the two elephants they fight, so now
the grass they suffer. Okay.
Now they feel the pain.
Very true. Okay.
My own opinion this morning now, may they try put this thing to end because now we they suffer the pain.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. You don't even call you spray at top them up the way they usually do. Quick one, we go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back. Now the final lap on top of AS E DEY HOT. Now we go, they don't go anywhere. Now still the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. No go anywhere when they come back. AS E DEY HOT.
Yes, welcome back. We don't enter the final lap of our Gonga program AS E DEY HOT. And right about now, we get Oga Nwachukwu on the line. Oga Nwachukwu, good morning. Oga Nwachukwu, you there? Oga Nwachukwu, good morning. You there? We don't lose them. Oga Nwachukwu. Yes, we still address the issue of the Niger Delta Avengers, that is the Niger Delta issues. And then the federal government suggested to do it to at least to meet with them, make them know how they will do it, address their matter, find lasting solution to them. So now we still talk about Achukwu still there studio, and then we still correct.
Activist Chukwudi, point of correction. Activist Chukwudi, because I'm here speaking for the Nigerian people. From 10 when this show don't start up till now, and they insist say, let us have a roadmap. Let us have a roadmap that will spell out what we want to do exactly in the Niger Delta. Identify the problem. What is the problem? Environmental degradation. When we don't see all these years, what do we go do in the long term, in the medium term, in the short term, right about now?
We don't talk about all
not enrich people to become millionaires. Enrich people to become millionaires, and the people are still suffering. How is it possible?
That is why the issue of say, okay, make us still hold government accountable for things where they take their own.
Are you holding them? Are you holding them?
I will not.
You are not holding them.
We need to do further.
You are not holding them.
We need to do further.
You are not holding them.
We need to do further.
You dey pay lesson teacher money for your pikin when no fit pass exam when teacher dey teach for school and the pikin still dey fail. Who do want the teacher accountable? You set up NDDC. You dey pay agitators. Make people rich, millionaires. Meanwhile the people wey inside the city dey still dey suffer. What you go do? You have to address this particular issue. Oil spillage, environmental degradation, Clear the area, cleanse it. What have we done since 1999? Nothing till date. You dey call NDDC. Government they give them money. Government they give them money. Why you gonna give people money and the people when we say the thing they affect, you no address them? Why not address the particular issue? You come here and tell me say, now so Oga Alex from Abuja talk say government they give them money.
What if the whole essence of the money
they give ex-agitators 65,000?
What if the whole essence of the money
what's your Oga okay talk?
To start development.
What's your Oga okay talk? What's your Oga okay talk? Oga okay from Calabar, what's he talk? Oga okay from Calabar, what's he talk?
What am I saying?
You give person 65,000 naira. You don't send them go school. You give them 65,000 naira. Tomorrow, if you don't give them 65,000, they don't go carry gun.
Good morning.
They don't go carry gun. What do they talk? Activist. I'm an activist.
Make what does matter?
I'm speaking for the people.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Frank.
Good morning, comrade Nkubi and activist Chukwudi.
Good morning,
and they greet you, Oga Frank, from Port Harcourt. Where this thing they happen? Where this issue they happen? Oga Frank, give us your experience.
I want to come out for the militancy matter.
Feel free.
Yeah, I know that today where something like that.
Thank you very much.
So what is the inside that? I want to stop use my contribution on some of question.
Okay.
So good now I'm making the last militant then they come they fight for the people. Government give them the so-called amnesty, they collect the money, put up pocket police match. Now another data then don't come to the need amnesty. I just want to become one of the start the program. I don't forget the name that one.
Red Egbesu Water Lions.
So if you continue like this now, maybe not them go from their own group, they need amnesty. If them come from their own amnesty, so one thing Nigeria now to United States of amnesty, like that. So what is the job? You have the government which made a no go for investigation. When I find out to be really asked about this thing, because
but then,
too much.
Oga Frank.
Way too much now,
Oga Frank, if they talk to make government hold on, and these people still they vandalize the things when we say when they generate money for the nation, how it is say I think supposed to find quick solution to run. You know,
it's not fire to fire, make them go fire to fire. Because
fire to fire,
like all of us, if we continue like this now, amnesty will do every day. Different people will form their own group. So it's a good last making the case, government will do amnesty every year. And that this one come out now, this addition come out.
Oga Frank.
Administration will go come, and that people go form their own group.
Oga Frank, in fact, you don't talk your own mind. Thank you very, very much for this contribution. We don't drop down and make government address the matter this way to supposed to address her. We get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, they call us back. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. Good morning.
Good morning.
We dey hear you right on.
How are you, sir?
We dey fine.
I was trying to call AS E DEY HOT.
Okay, now AS E DEY HOT, you on top of AS E DEY HOT. Talk to us.
Yes. What I'm trying to say this morning is everybody that's a Nigerian supposed to know that the goodness of Nigeria starts from home.
Okay.
If you know you want to make the Nigeria better for tomorrow, everything starts from you as an individual.
Okay.
For instance, the high rate of commodities in the market is where I want to lay more emphasis on this morning.
Okay.
We say the government is a government that go to the market. A mutu of rice before used to be 300, 250, 270. But you find out that immediately things start going bad, everybody starts escalating the price of the market value. People had, some people have the old stocks in their stores there before now. Immediately they say, this commodity is high, they started selling at the high price when they bought it at the lower price, far lower than what they are selling.
They are selling, yeah.
So, yes, government has a part to play because there is no checks and balances. I can remember 2-3 years ago when I was in Dubai, there is a rate of price in the price of bread. We used to buy one bread for one dirham. So they now put 50 feet to it. That is 1 dirham, 50 feet. It's just like a commodity here that is 100 naira, put 10 naira, one, come on and 10 naira. Government in Dubai announced that nobody should buy bread. Because there is no rice in flour. There is no rice in sugar. There is no rice in all the...
In fact, we get under color hanging on right now. Thank you very much for this contribution where you don't also give us your own experience comparing it to Dubai. We get Oga David Daylight. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Gauko. You have been waiting since.
No vex.
Okay, I want to speak on the Niger Delta.
Okay, quickly, we hear you.
Now, I want to give a summary of solutions to this problem.
Okay.
Because in the from 60s, we have where the Calabar is the capital of Nigeria. Later, Lagos is the capital of Nigeria. And now, to be sincere with ourselves, what belongs to us is therefore what belongs to me. Every region have resources.
Yes.
Do you understand? And now that Nigerian revenue, we are getting 60% of Nigerian revenue from Niger Delta. And federal government make a capital in the middle of Niger Delta to control the resources and be able to meet up with the need of the people, or the same way they are doing in advanced countries, whereby every child that was born in the oil-producing community, they are taking care of them, paying their school fees, paying their feeding, even their elderly people or their young people are giving scholarship. All of them, because this is where the money are coming from.
Yes, Oga David. In fact, this is your solution. This is your solution where you don't break now. And that Kajado is at least if government go feel looking to them, at least you can also do it. You can also help the situation. So far, thank you very much. Our viewers don't call so far. Now here we go do it. Now here we go say yes. We go wrap up the program. But then we know say the person call himself this thing. I don't know what he called himself. I don't know Chukwudi, they are busy. Still get one or two way go to
they don't finish this matter for on top of this show. Every caller don't talk in the direction say we need to settle this issue once and for all. Our people waiting for us, so they talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. We get one ogbonge information when we want drop down now. If una dey very very agile, if una dey watch, una go see say the Wazobia motto they go round for different areas for inside this
for areas like Anthony, Mende, Yanopaja, and Gowon Estate. Our motto they do it. If they go Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV, they go around this place. They try at least and make people there aware. Say they don't enter their neighborhood. Make them also do it. Make them also identify with them. And so now the whole this thing. And tomorrow we will also give them information of the next place where they go where they go come tomorrow.
So anybody when they inside all these areas we just mentioned for inside this Lagos, Yanopaja, Mende side, that person, make you just come out for road, make you they wait for our people them because they carry plenty things and plenty goodies for you when you say you go use enjoy. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. It don't they very very clear. Say the issue of the Niger Delta, now issue when we say we come for round table, sit down, we need to address, and we go settle. Yes. Very very clear. The activist has carried the day. The activist has carried the day.
Yourself.
No, Nigerians have spoken. It's very very clear.
Activist yourself.
It's very very clear.
Activist
the activist has carried the day.
For me.
It's clear. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.